All right, guys. Coach Tom, founder of Mind Over Body Coaching. Been just want to give you a little brief intro about who I am. Been coaching folks since 2011. Very focused on obviously weight loss, fitness, health goals. In 2018, I was really successful, helping a lot of people get to their goal weight, get fit, healthy, happy. I knew how to do it. I knew how to talk the talk. But I wasn't walking the walk. Maybe you can relate with this. Like sometimes we know what we need to be doing, but we're not doing it. And I was really stuck. And what I ended up doing is started hiring coaches. Initial coach in September of 2018 called me out. Like I said, owned a gym, very successful, helping a lot of people drop the weight and get the weight off and put in new behaviors around exercise and eating, but yet I wasn't doing it. Okay. So I'm going to talk to you about how I went on this journey of getting easily to my goal weight and being able to stay there, but also thinking about and creating this process, which I call the 4-pillar approach, to help folks easily get there. And I've helped tons and tons of clients since then. I'll show you a bunch of testimonials and all that stuff. Now, I want to go step by step and give you all of everything I got here, step by step, so that you can try to do this on your own, okay? So this training, I'm going to go step by step on how to get rid of the frustration and get on the easy path to not only getting to your goal weight, but to live there forever. So this is a forever solution. I'm going to break this down for you step by step, okay? The 4-pillar approach. I'm going to go through each of the 4 pillars, because if you're missing any of these pillars, it's not going to be possible. It's going to be really hard, and you're not going to be able to stay at the goal weight if you're able to even get there. So who is this training for? Well, if you're frustrated and sick and tired of trying to lose weight the hard way, if you want the easy path to becoming your fittest, healthiest, and happiest, you're in the right place. Okay, now who is this training not for? Well, if you're looking for some crazy, rapid, unhealthy, quick fix results, this isn't for you. If you're already on a weight loss journey and you have an awesome plan that you're 100% sticking to, you're 100% certain it's going to get you to the goals you have easily, and that you're going to be able to live the rest of your life there, I would say keep doing what you're doing, right? Like, you don't need to be here listening to this. It might just confuse you. So I would say to just leave the video. Keep doing what you're doing. Now, if you're not coachable or you're not going to take action for yourself and to become your healthiest, fittest, and your happiest, I got to ask, why are you here? I'm sure there's other things you'd rather do with your time. So this isn't for you guys. Now, if you're still here, I want you to make sure that you watch this video to the very end, because you're not going to get on the easy path to reaching your goals if you miss even one piece of what I'm going to be covering here. Now, I'm very serious. If you miss one piece, you'll continue to be frustrated. Pillar 1 of the 4-pillar approach to easy weight loss is exercise. You're going to need an exercise plan that eventually becomes a lifestyle habit. Even if you've hated exercise in the past, you have to have a plan where you eventually look forward to your workouts and love them. Now, if it's been years since you've exercised consistently, or maybe never, that's okay. At the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you a plan to start with. You must have a food plan that's sustainable right from the beginning. What do I mean by that? I mean, when you look at your plan, you have to see it as a way that you could eat for the rest of your life. It should just be like regular food from the grocery store, a plan that's going to allow you to reach your goals, is still yummy, and that you can stick with for the rest of your life. Crash or fad diets do not work. Same goes for detoxes, sketchy supplements, crazy pills, or potions. Now, at the end of this video, I'm going to give you the world's easiest food plan. It's super simple. It's inexpensive. In fact, I had a client get all their food for a week for less than $30. And you get to pick the foods that you want from there's a whole list of stuff. So it's very easy, very simple. Pillar 3 is mindset, and this is huge. Once our mindset's optimized, changing our body and life is very easy. So you need to work on putting healthy boundaries in place, develop your discipline muscle, love yourself in the process more. You have to control our emotions so that we spend less time living in negative emotions and falling victim to the cravings. We have to develop our self-confidence, show up powerfully for ourselves, and make ourselves and our health goals a priority. All right, pillar 4 is accountability. This is critical, especially as we're establishing these new habits. See, we're building new habits around consistently eating healthy and doing our workouts, and without accountability to a human being that we respect and trust, we're just going to get tripped up and fall backwards. Understand no one is perfect. We all get tripped up, and sometimes we make poor choices around food or skipping our workouts. But with accountability, we get right back on track so that we continue to gain momentum towards our goals. People fail at dropping the weight when they're missing one or more of these 4 pillars. So here's a simple plan you can use yourself. All right, for exercise, what I want you to do is ease into this, and for the next 28 days, commit to doing 5 minutes of exercise every single day. Now, if you feel like doing more, go ahead, but do not kill yourself to the point that you're super sore and won't be able to show up the next day to exercise. Now, walking, gentle stretches, yoga, those are all great options to start with. For food, you'll see in the description to this video, there's a link that I put so that you can download the world's easiest food plan for free. Plan's super simple. You can get all the food you need for a week of eating, actually for less than $30. Now, for mindset, what you're going to have to do is get a notebook, and for the next 28 days, invest 5 minutes in yourself at the end of each day. And what I want you to do is record in your notebook the one action from that day that you took for yourself in your health journey that you're most proud of. And then I also want you to list 3 things from that day you're thankful for. You have to do this every day for 28 days in a row to build that momentum. Now, finally, for accountability, you have to find someone that you trust and respect, someone that you can be vulnerable and honest with. This is going to be your accountability partner. Now, you want them to hold you accountable to your exercise and to your healthy eating. Now, if you want to get on the easiest path towards becoming your healthiest, happiest, and fittest, you can apply to work with myself and my team. Now, you have to understand that we do not always have spots open, as we never take on more clients than we're 100% certain we can over-deliver to. So get your application in, and we'll contact you if and when we have available spots open. Now, the last thought I need you to leave with is this, and this is critical. If nothing else from this video, this is the most important thing I want you to leave here with. I've gone through this journey, and this is the truth that all my clients will tell you the same thing. In order to reach your goal and live there forever, you have to get to this belief that you are worthy, deserving, and can do it, okay? Now, right now, you may not fully believe that, but we have to work on getting to this place of you understanding without any doubt that you are worthy, that you are deserving, and you can do it. I did not think I was worthy. I did not think I deserved it, and I didn't think I could do it. Back in 2018, when I was super stuck and fat and out of shape, even though I had all these people I was helping do it, I didn't think I could do it myself. I didn't think I deserved it, and I didn't think I was worthy. Once I made that switch on my mindset and my internal belief system, boom, it happened easily. All my clients that I've gotten them to their goal will say the same thing. So please take this piece from this video. Take this. You are worthy, you're deserving, and you can do it.